Okay, this is the P1 paper from October 2021. It's question 10. If you have a quick look at it, you can see that it's both integration and differentiation. Quite unusual for a question 10 in that it's a very, very straightforward, quite short question. But let's have a look at it and let's get started. So if we look at the information then, it tells me that f dash x is equal to ax minus 12x to the third. It tells me that f double dash x is equal to 0 when x is equal to 27. So I can use that information straight away to work out what a is. Let's do that. They told me f dash x was equal to ax minus 12x to the third. So f double dash x is the differential of that. Differential of ax is just a. Differential of the other one, multiply by the power. Take one off the power, a third take away one is minus 2/3. And then they've said that f double dash 27 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 27. So a minus 4 lots of 27 to the minus 2/3 equals 0. And obviously you could just put that into the calculator. So it works out to be a minus 4 over 9 equals 0. Or in other words, a equals 4 over 9. That's the answer. If you wanted to spend some time, you could have tried to work out what that was going to be. Cube root, the third means cube root. So the cube root of 27 is 3. And 3 to the power of minus 2 is 1 over 3 squared, so 1 over 9. But you didn't need to do any of that. It told you, you could just use a calculator to do that part. So A is calculated. For part B then, now I know that f dash x, because we know that A is 4 over 9, is 4 over 9x minus 12x to the third. And if we now go back, it says the curve passes through the points 1, minus 8. So let's integrate and find out what fx is. So fx would be the integral of 4 over 9x minus 12x to the third. So that's going to be, add 1 onto the power, divide by the new power is going to make 4 over 18 or 2 over 9. Add 1 onto the power makes x to the 4 over 3. Dividing by 4 over 3. I'm going to write this down, but I do not do this, but I'm just writing it down for you guys. Plus c. When I'm doing that, rather than dividing by 4 over 3, I'd multiply by 3/4. But either way, we're going to get 2x squared over 9 minus, or 3/4 of 12, is 9x to the 4 over 3 plus c. And then we know, so it's fx, we'd have to squeeze this in, we know the point x equals 1, f1 is equal to minus 8. So if I put that information in, I get that minus 8 equals 2 lots of 1 squared over 9 minus 9 lots of 1 plus c. If you're going to forgive me, I'm just going to let you work that out. C works out to be equal to 7 over 9. And so because of that, my final answer for fx then becomes, let's tidy that up, then becomes 7 over 9 there. So this is the final answer for fx once we've worked out what c is. Okay, hopefully that makes sense.